Welcome back to our channel. Today we are delving into the incredible healing power of Moringa leaf powder. Moringa, also known as the drumstick tree or a miracle tree, has been revered for its medicinal properties for centuries. But today, we're specifically focusing on the amazing benefits of its powdered form. One of the reasons Moringa leaf powder is gaining so much attention is because it's a nutrient powerhouse. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, this green gem can significantly contribute to your overall well-being. Studies suggest that Moringa leaf powder can give your immune system a substantial boost. Its rich vitamin C content, along with other antioxidants, helps the body fight off infections and keeps your immune system in top shape. Just what we all need, especially in today's world. For those dealing with inflammation, whether it's from arthritis or other conditions, Moringa leaf powder might be a game changer. Its anti-inflammatory properties have been linked to reducing inflammation in the body, providing relief for those with chronic issues. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for a healthy lifestyle, and Moringa leaf powder could be a natural ally in this journey. Some studies suggest that it may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a potential support for individuals dealing with diabetes or at risk of developing it. And here's another incredible benefit of Moringa leaf powder: it's a secret weapon for radiant skin. The high levels of vitamins A, E, and C, along with antioxidants, contribute to healthy skin by promoting collagen formation and fighting free radicals. Including Moringa leaf powder in your diet might just be the key to unlocking that natural glow and keeping your skin looking vibrant and youthful. Just a teaspoon of Moringa leaves powder a day keeps the doctor away. There you have it, folks. The healing power of Moringa leaf powder is truly something to marvel at. If you've tried Moringa leaf powder or have any questions, share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our fantastic content. Until next time, stay happy.